Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I know my last video was a reaction video on my last date, eating my ex, but this time we're gonna go on to trading, back to what we know. Okay, now first of all, I'm gonna have a step-by-step guide to show you guys exactly how to navigate around TradingView. Now I know TradingView is a free software, of course. It's a website, tradingview.com, where you can literally run through everything, analyze charts, and then place your trades on one of the brokers of your choice. And my next video will probably be on what's the best broker to use. But first of all, let's go on to the video. But before we start, guys, I would like to say, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more consistent videos from myself. I'm going to be coming out some solid videos that you're going to really enjoy. Okay, so on the tradingview.com website, there's a slight button, a drop down button on the left. If you give that a click, it takes you to this drop down. Okay, now there's a button here that I'd like to go on to, which is the community. Okay, now if you give that a click and you click on ideas, it takes you to all the relevant sections: currencies, stocks, indices, futures, and so forth. Let's say we're going onto currency. Let's give that a click. It then takes you onto a page where it shows what other traders are going for in terms of their analysis. Like, for example, a EUR/USD pullback from resistance. It shows you everything you need to know, from breakouts to potential levels that they want to buy and sell from. It shows you everything. So you're not on your own when analyzing the charts and wanting to know what one suits you best. Now, I know sometimes when you're looking at charts and you might miss out on an opportunity. Now, this page is really good. Now, if you're looking for stocks or whatever charts, it shows you. So, of course, you go to community, give that a click, go to ideas, and you can click on any of them, stocks as well. So if you go into stocks quickly, it breaks down everything. So you've got Hollywood Bowl Group, you got I know you've got a Rolls Royce as well, which is really good. Now, to prevent all the advertisement and what you have here, there's a button here called upgrade now. I mean, I know that when you do sign up, you have a 30-day free trial. Now, guys, always understand this is an investment in yourself. I do recommend it. I mean, I'm showing you from a standpoint of not even registering at all, to show you guys exactly how it would look for you before you sign up. So you click on upgrade now, you sign up, fill your details, and then after the 30-day period, you will get charged. I think it's something so small, but it's worthwhile to get involved with, and it kind of shows everything, and there won't be no lags in terms of like all these adverts popping up and signs popping up to say, oh, upgrade now, you know. So yeah, it's got all the stocks that you need to know, and it kind of has a description underneath from different traders. Now you can see the ratings and so forth for each trader. Now, if you wanted to go straight onto the charts and say, you know what, I want to analyze my own charts, you go onto the left, give that a click. You go onto chart, give that a click as well. And then it takes you to this page. Now, on my last video, I said a bullish run for Ethereum. As you can see here, broke out the cloud. I told you I got in at 2.9 or something like that, and it's been doing great ever since. It's all listed on my last video with evidence. I made it clear. But Ethereum's doing really well, and we analyzed it superbly, in fact. So when you're trying to search for an asset class, it's this one here. Give that a click. You obviously need to click either all if you're selecting a Forex or whatever, or if you want to navigate it slightly, so you click on Forex. Ethereum's not Forex, so it won't present itself there. So if you put pound CHF, which is Swiss franc, it pops up. You give that a click, and then it takes you to the chart. Now, if you wanted to check the time frame, you click this button here. It's on a daily currently. You've got weekly, monthly, 4 hour, 3 hours, 1 hour, and so forth. So you can literally analyze the chart that way. Now remember, each candle represents a day, okay? So if you're saying in the last couple days, what has it been doing? you can clearly see it's had that little spike upwards. Okay, each candle represents a day. So if we were to select an hour, for example, it will show exactly that. Oh, sorry. All I need to do is click on auto. Always click on auto so it gives you the nice view. Okay, so most traders stick to candles, but sometimes when you do get the charts and you're just going onto TradingView, it might come up with bars or wherever it may be. But always remember, just next to the time frame, there's a selection you can choose from: hollow candles, lines, and so forth. But keep it on candles. Okay, now if, for example, you want to draw like trend lines and so forth, you click this line, you click and drag. I know most of you guys probably know it, but it's always nice to show you guys exactly how to do it. So you click, drag, and you let go. And then you could do it for the support, for example. Click, drag, and it happens again. Okay, and you can place it, you can do it horizontally, vertically, and so forth. Now, if you want to zoom in, there's a button up here. I'm not going to do it right now, but there's a button there for you to do so. Okay, now there's chart properties, which is so important as well. Give that a click, and you can change the color of the actual charts. So for example, you want to make it a black screen, give it a black. And then if you scroll down, you've got vertical grid lines. You can make that black as well. If you want to make it a pitch black chart, you could do black as well for the horizontal lines. And you're good to go. So of course you've got symbols. Now with the body, green. So the first one is of course the bullish chart. So what candle you want the uptrend to be, I'll put it as green. Red is my downtrend, so I can change that color and make it, I don't know, if you want to make it yellow, it comes yellow. As you can see here, it's yellow. Okay, so me, I like to keep it, green and red. It's the standard colors that it's just perfect and it's simple. Okay, now if you go on appearance, which is where we were at before, I wouldn't touch anything else. Okay, so it's advisable that we just stick to just the background color and of course grid lines if you want it to be black. Okay, so let's come back out of it. Okay, now it's a black screen. I know some people like it on dark mode, some people actually like it on bright mode, but it's all up to you and what you prefer it to be. Now if you want to draw stop loss and take profit chart, so it kind of literally, I'll show you something. Watch this. There we go. So this is the down. Can see the stop. So open price would be this box here. Stop would be on this, so stop loss. And then we've got, hold on, and we've got the target, which is take profit at the top. So you can position it to where you want it to be. You just hold and drag. Okay, so when it does touch that point, you can just get into the charts or whatnot. You see it? And of course, so you got to remember when you click on, so when you buy, so let's say you bought it on your brokerage and it's at this point here, you will drag across, get it at here. You want your stop loss to be, let's say for example at this point here, you just drag it to that point, and you do the same for the top at take profit. Okay, you can change the time frame like I mentioned before, and it's really easy to do. Now, by any chance you want to take that away, you go to here and you click on the remove button. There you go. You see it? It's really simple. You can also click on the delete button here, remove drawings, and it can take everything away. So guys, this is very simple. I mean, you can go on indicators and get quite a few out using these buttons here, and we can go on forever. But for those that are just trading strictly on price action, it's better just to look at the ones that I've shown you above. Okay, so of course, like I said, if you want to enlarge, it's that button there, but we're not going to touch that. So guys, I broke down all the steps that you need for TradingView. Remember, if you're going for stocks, commodities, or even forex or whatever it may be, you know exactly what to do by going on the search and allocating it correctly. So remember, click on this. If you want a stock, you click on this. But remember, so because pound Swiss franc is not a stock, it won't appear. So if you type, I don't know, Rolls Royce things start popping up. You see it? And then that's how it works. See, so you got all the charts that you need to do. You can even click that on and it takes you to the charts for that. So you got all the charts that you need to analyze the charts and make some money. So guys, I thought to break it down for you guys, because I feel like a lot of people are asking me, oh, how do I actually use TradingView? What's the best way to go about it? And here is the video. So guys, if you want to see more videos or more charting softwares or anything like that, so you know exactly what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I want to see some good support, and I am looking at the comments to see more from you guys. So one love, I'm out.